Hey, don't do that. Please don't do that. If you do that, I'm going to take my belt off and I'm going to spank you with it because that's horrible. I'm Mac with Arrow Pest Service and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of ants. It's going to be super easy, it's going to be super effective, and it's going to save you a little bit of money, right? Everybody likes to save a little bit of money. Ants are something that we deal with on a constant basis. We've been in business since 1977, and I would say probably the most calls we get about bugs, it has to do with ants. Probably out of every 10 calls we get, 6 of them have to do with ants of some sort, some way, some form, some fashion. So we deal with ants all the time. So we know how to get rid of them super quick, and we know how to do it in an effective manner, okay? And today I want to share with you some knowledge, all right? I want to give you my #1 ant product that we use every single day in our company. We have about 12 technicians that are out on the road every single day, and this product is on their trucks 100% of the time. If they have an ant problem they have to deal with on the inside of the house, guess what? They're gonna use this product. And I'm gonna show you our #1 hack that we use on the inside of the house that gets rid of these ants quick and easy. Now, if you have a wife that's just like mine, right, and you get ants, she's gonna want them gone yesterday. She's not gonna let you sleep. She's not gonna let you rest. She's not gonna let you go fishing or do anything until you get these ants gone, right? So I wanna show you today how to make your life a little bit easier. You know what my dad always used to say? He said, son, a happy wife is a happy life. And I've been married for 26 years to the same woman, and I found that to be absolutely correct. So when it comes to ants, let's make our wives happy and let's get rid of these things quick and easy. Now, the first thing that I want you to do is that when you encounter an ant problem in your home, all right, there's one thing that I do not want you to do, because I understand that you want to get rid of the ants quick, right? And most of the time we grab for a can of spray. Maybe it's a can of Raid or some type of over-the-counter bug killer. And that's what I don't want you to do that. Please don't grab the Raid and spray the ants. You know, I'm gonna tell you why, okay? Yes, you're gonna get a momentary relief of the ants, okay? It's going to be just momentary. It's not gonna last very long, okay? And so if you spray them, you're gonna actually cause more problems, all right? You're not gonna solve the problem, you're gonna create more issues. I'm gonna tell you why. Because a lot of these products that you can buy at Home Depot or Lowe's or Walmart, any of those things like that, okay, those are what we call repellent type insecticides. Now, you're gonna spray those ants, and yes, those ones you spray, they're gonna die, right? They're gonna die pretty much immediately, but the problem is the ants are gonna know where that product is at and they're gonna avoid it. And so what can potentially happen, and this is where you're gonna get in trouble, all right? The ant colony will separate into 2 separate colonies, and then what do you have? You have a bigger mess on your hands, okay? So that's what I don't want you to do. So #1, when you do have an ant problem, don't go for the Raid, don't go for the over-the-counter products, because that's gonna cause you more problems. Okay, now that you know not to spray the ants that you're seeing in your kitchen or in your house with Raid, now I wanna share with you our #1 ant product that we use every single day. Now, you can get this on Amazon. You can just Google it. It'll come in a box of 4, and it's about $38, all right? And so you take 4 divided into 38, that's about $9.50, all right? And it's this product right here, Max Force Fleet. This is what we use every single day. So this one tube will cost you about $9.50. And this one tube will go a long, long way. So for $38, man, you can treat your house all day, every day with this product right here, okay? With this right here, you shouldn't have any ants in or around your home. Now this product right here, the active ingredient in it is called fipronil. I love this active ingredient, okay? Because what it does is that when the ants eat it, it doesn't kill them immediately, and which is a good thing. It's gonna be a little slow acting, okay? But here's the thing, they're gonna take it back to the colony. It gives them an opportunity to take it back to the colony, and so they can feed it to the rest of the colony, and guess what? It will kill the entire colony, all right? So fipronil is an amazing product. Now this Max Force Fleet, it'll take care of carpenter ants, pharaoh ants, pavement ants, honey ants, acrobat ants, odorous house ants, thief ants, corn and field ants, big-headed ants, right? And so it has a wide range of ant species that it would actually take care of. Now, the great thing is about this too, is that highly attractive. Once you put it out, those ants that are in your house, they're going to go to it immediately, right? They're not gonna try to avoid it because they see this as crack. They see this as a gourmet meal, and they're gonna go to it and they're gonna be on it like crazy. And they're gonna take it back to the colony and it's gonna kill your ants extremely quick. Okay, before I go into my super easy, top secret trick, hack, whatever you wanna call it, to get rid of ants with this product, I wanna show you how not to use this product, okay? Because one thing you don't wanna do, you don't wanna make a mess with it, all right? So let me show you what not to do. Because if you do this, it's no bueno, man, no bueno, all right? So we need to know how not to use this before you know how to use it. Okay, first of all, you have this little cap right here on top, all right? Just twist it off. It just twist off, all right? Okay, now you see, all right? Now you got this little plunger. Just stick it in here, all right? Now here's what I wanna show you how not to use it, all right? Now a lot of people, even professionals, use this in the wrong way. So this is, say you had ants right here going across, see there? Made a mess already. See that mess? See, let me show you how not to use it. A lot of people will put this. Can I tell you, don't do that. Please don't do that. If you do that, I'm gonna take my belt off and I'm gonna spank you with it because that's horrible. Look at that. That is a mess. Now, you wanna make your wife happy? Don't do that, all right? Knucklehead, don't do that. I see a lot of people that are lazy and they do stuff like that. You just make a mess. Don't do that. If I saw one of my technicians do that, I'm gonna knock them upside the head. We don't do that. All right? I wanna show you how to do it the right way. A lot of people put it like that. They'll put them like that out in the open. Please don't do that. That's horrible, right? Now you gotta go back and you gotta clean it up, okay? So let's get a paper towel, okay? Let's clean our mess up. Let's clean our mess up. Because after the ants are dead, you're gonna have to go back and clean it up, right? So just don't make a mess with it. Because sometimes you have your ants, they're gonna be over here by the Keurig. Sometimes they're gonna be over here by the honey and the cream and the sugar. And sometimes they're gonna be over here by the bagels. And sometimes they're gonna be by the muffins and what is that? Butter, yeah. And sometimes they're gonna be over on the stove. Don't put them in there. Don't put the bait in areas like that, all right? Just out in the open, that's horrible. That's gonna be, now, are you gonna get rid of some ants? Probably, yeah, but it's not a good way to do it, all right? I'm gonna show you the right way to do it. And it's gonna be quick, it's gonna be easy, it's gonna save you some money. Okay, so now you know what product to use. Just go get this on the internet, all right? Now, here's the next thing, and you're probably not gonna believe this, it's gonna blow your mind, but just go get you a straw. This is it right here. Very easy, just a regular drinking straw. Get your straw, and then what I need you to do next is get you a pair of scissors. So, let's get some scissors. I found some really cute scissors. It's gonna work just fine. Now, you just take your straw and cut an inch and a half, something like that. And you're gonna cut it into sections about that big, okay? Now this one straw is probably gonna make about I don't know, 6 different little sections. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We made 5 of them, okay? Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make mini bait stations out of these things, all right? Now here's how you do it. Take your bait, take the top off, okay? Now you take your bait, stick it inside of the straw. Now I want you to see this. It's not gonna take a lot of bait. Don't fill this thing all the way up. Just a little bit, probably about a quarter of the way. Now watch. That's it, that's it. Now guess what? You pull that out, and what do you not have? You don't have a mess. You don't have bait everywhere, okay? And what are these? These are little ant bait stations, okay? Now, let's go ahead and fill the rest of them up, and we're gonna lay them out. 2, 3, 4, 5. When you get done filling these up, put your cap back on. And guess what? We're done with that. Now, I'm gonna show you where to put these things out. It's just that easy. Come on, I can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Come on, let's go. Go. Okay, let's say you have ants over here by the bagels, all right? And by the muffins. You just take your pre-baited station, and wherever you're seeing the ants, just put it right there. You see it? It's just that simple. That way, it doesn't touch the muffins, doesn't touch the bagels, doesn't bother your food, and guess, it doesn't make a mess. It's not making a mess, okay? And so we got 4 more, all right? So we got some, just say you have ants that are crawling around on this thing, just put your little bait station right there. Put them right there. It's out of the way. Okay, what about over here by the coffee pot? I'm gonna tell you something, I don't want ant bait in my coffee. I drink 1 or 2 cups of coffee every single day. I don't want ant bait in my coffee, but sometimes ants are gonna be around the coffee pot, the Keurig machine, all right? So if that happens, just take it. Does it get any easier than this? No, it doesn't. This is super, super easy, right? You can get this box of Max Force Fleet, a box of 4 of them on the internet for $38. It's gonna be super, super cheap, all right? You're gonna save tons of money, all right? So anywhere you're having an issue with ants, maybe it's in the, maybe it's around your plants, all right? Okay, you can put one in the windowsill. All right, let's say you got it in here. All right. I know this trick's just blowing your mind. I mean, it's so easy and so simple. And you can put these bait stations anywhere in your house, all right? That anywhere you're having ants in your house, it's in your bathroom, it's in your bedroom, it's in your kitchen. You know, you can even make these bait stations outside and put them outside by your front door. You can put them out on your back patio. You can put them anywhere that you're having an ant problem. And I'm gonna tell you something, this fipronil is gonna kill them very quickly. I said it gives it a little bit of time to get back to the colony, but after it gets back to the colony, it's gonna be over with. In about 3 days, your ant problem is going to be solved. And the thing is, if you spray it with some type of repellent spray, you're gonna cause and make the problem even worse. And that's not what you wanna do. So if you get this Max Force Fleet and you get some straws and make little mini bait stations, this is gonna be a game changer for you. Now, here's the thing. Go ahead and order this. Go ahead and go to Amazon or do-it-yourself pest control, wherever you wanna decide you wanna get it from. Go ahead and have it on hand, because you never know when you're gonna have an ant problem. You never know when they're gonna show up, because matter of fact, they show up at the most unexpected times and at the worst times, especially when you're having a party, you're having a get together, you know, having some type of special occasion. That's when it seems like the ants are always showing up. And those are the phone calls that we get all the time. It's like, I got a party tomorrow. It's my daughter's 16th birthday. I got ants, I need them gone right now, okay? And so we go out there and we take care of it for them. But if you have this on hand, you can go ahead and take care of them quick and easy. Now, here's the thing. If you got any questions about ants or any kind of bug, please put a comment down in the chat box, because I would love to hear from you. I want to hear any type of feedback that you may have, because I'm here to add value to you. I want to help you save money, and I want to help you save some time. I want to give you some resources that you can apply to yourself. Now, I was very hesitant on sharing this product and the way we use it, because it's very effective. All right, and I was just a little hesitant on sharing that with everybody, but here's the thing. I decided that I wanted to add value to you, so what better way to add value to you than to show you our #1 product and to show you how we use it correctly. Now, okay, last but not least, the really cool thing about this entire hack is that when all the ants are gone, you know what? You just go back and you find your bait stations and you pick them up. See? Get them. No mess. You get your bait stations, and you know what you do? Throw them away. It's quick, it's easy, it's effective, and it saves you money, all right? Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for supporting this channel. Y'all are amazing. If you need anything, if you have any questions, if you have any feedback on any future videos, please put them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Y'all are amazing. God bless, all right? Have a great day.